Hi, I'm Darlene.
And I'm Marty. Yeah, so we're down here for quite a long period of time. I like to think of it as living here as opposed to being on vacation here. It makes more sense, especially for us people that are thick of waist and thin of hair.
Retirees?
Yeah, so when you're down here for a while, you like to kind of know what's up or what's happening. So this will be a little explanation of how you find things to do in Puerto Morelos.
Woohoo! So there are several ways to find out what's going on in Puerto Morelos. One good way is to go on to Facebook. Go to the group pages and search Puerto Morelos. You'll find several groups there with tons of information. If you want to find out what activities are going on, what new restaurants are open, volunteer opportunities, events, fundraisers, just people getting together, everything is there. I've personally joined about 6 of these different groups and go on Facebook each day and see what's going on. The other thing is, if you have a question about anything, just post it to your group and you'll get your answers right away. And there's so much knowledge on these group pages. I find it very helpful. I also have a few web pages that have excellent information. In PuertoMorelos.com. That's done by local people right here in Puerto Morelos, and they have a weekly blog that they put out. But their website is so great. It has airport information, where's the free Wi-Fi, where's the happy hour, what music's going on in Puerto Morelos, what things to do. It's got restaurant guides, taxi rates, interactive maps. This is really a great website. And they also have a Facebook page so you can follow them online as well. The other website is runawayrealty.com. It's a real estate company that specializes in selling and buying homes here, but they have a great blog. So if you just go to their menu and click blog, they have this page here, what's happening this week in Puerto Morelos, and it tells you everything that's going on day by day: yoga, cenote tours, learning how to cook, everything that's going on for the next week. And they update this every week, so it's really easy to find out what's going on and where it's happening. And of course, another place to get lots of information is YouTube. There's a lot of really good videos out there, and there's a lot that not so good. We try to bring you current information based on our experiences, so hopefully that's been helpful to you. If it has, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Now let me show you some of the activities that we've taken in. We're at the Selvita Fest on Calle 2 Norte. They have many local artisans here with their wares. There's plants, there's ceramics, there's batik, there's lotions and potions and beadwork and crystals and all kinds of stuff. So check this out with us. This place is kind of like a commune where artists gather to create and offer workshops.
Hola, I'm Anna. I used to do the walking tour in La Colonia, and I no longer do the walks. I know people still are interested in. Thank you very much for your interest in knowing more about Puerto Morelos, but I'm done with with this. And I've been doing also in the past 12, 15 years art from recycling plastic bags. and now I do recycled plastic bags and also fabric and threads. This is fabric and threads, and this is all plastic, the skulls. And this piece here in the back is a piece that I've done like a patchwork with all the leftovers that I've from the plastic fabric that I've done in the past 15 years. So all the little pieces that I have left, I made a big patchwork to cover the space that I have on my outside.
It's absolutely beautiful. So Margot does batik on clothing and wall hangings. Beautiful dresses. Lovely. And something really unique that I've never seen before. She paints the parts of the coconut tree. See, they look like fish. All different ones here. She also makes wreaths out of bamboo and some ceramic pieces. This is just beautiful. Here's the Christmas market port side.
And I use all Mexican coins. I don't use the new.
Table mats.
Made of tree bark.
Decoration walls decorated with Mayan symbols. Check it out.
Such beautiful colors. I see your work all over Facebook. Sergio. It's very nice.
Graphic design. Maybe he does t-shirts. You do silk screening?
No, it's digital print.
Todo hecho a mano. Nosotros hacemos todo. Handmade.
Beautiful work.
I make it everywhere.
You make it?
Yes.
And open it. Okay, look at my fingers. Opposite angles. Yeah, the opposite sides. Yes, right there. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the beautiful work.
Here's some other items we found. A coquilla workshop. Karaoke. Here's another ceramic workshop. A fundraiser. So there's lots of things to do. You just have to know where to look for them.
Hope you enjoyed this. Mucho gracias.